All right, I'm gonna go outside for a minute because I want you to hear how incredibly loud it is. Here, check this out. It's really dark out here, but can you hear how loud that is? I mean, is it frogs? Surely not. Is it birds? I just have no idea. But I brought my crazy, super bright flashlight. So let's see if the noise still stays even when I shine a light. Let's check it out. Yep, the noise stays. I have no idea what it is. It's a little bit quieter. I see a couple of eyes looking back at me. I have no idea what that is. It's weird. I would zoom in, but I don't have enough hands. Oh, the noise is still there though. Pretty cool, huh?